Assembly language. In computer programming, assembly language or assembler language or symbolic machine code, often referred to simply as assembly and commonly abbreviated as ASM or ASM, is any low-level programming language with a very strong correspondence between the instructions in the language and the architecture. Machine code instructions. Assembly language usually has one statement per machine instruction, but constants, comments, assembler directives, symbolic labels, memory locations, registers, and macros are generally also supported. Assembly code is converted into executable machine code by a utility program referred to as an assembler. The term assembler is generally attributed to Weix, Wheeler, and Gill in their 1951 book, The Preparation of Programs for an Electronic Digital Computer, who, however, used the term to mean a program that assembles another program consisting of several sections into a single program. The conversion process is referred to as assembly, as in assembling the source code. The computational step when an assembler is processing a program is called assembly time. Because assembly depend on the machine code instructions, each assembly language is specific to a particular computer architecture. Sometimes there is more than one assembler for the same architecture, and sometimes an assembler is specific to an operating system or to particular operating system. Most assembly languages do not provide specific syntax for operating system calls, and most assembly languages can be used universally with any operating system, as the language provides access to all the real capabilities of the processor upon which all system call mechanisms ultimately. In contrast to assembly languages, most high-level programming languages are generally portable across multiple architectures but require interpreting or compiling much more complicated tasks than assembling. In the first decades of computing, it was commonplace for both system programming and application programming to take place entirely in assembly language. While still irreplaceable for some purposes, the majority of programming is now conducted in higher level interpreted.